So how do you remove Google account from the Gmail app on the iPhone? Let's begin and let's get started. If you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, you can check out some other videos as well, but most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. So part of the Gmail app, you can see that in the top right corner, you can tap on your profile and switch between like different Gmail accounts. But if you want to remove one of them, just click on the personal icon there and you have the ability to switch between the accounts. But you can also click on manage accounts on this device like that, and you now have a toggle next to each Google account on your device. And we are now within the Gmail app. So here we decide which Google account we are using inside of the Gmail app specifically. So you can use more or less, depends, right? So I don't have to like remove it from the device. I can only toggle it off and disable it for the Gmail app specifically. So I can turn it off and only leave one account being the main one, which I use in my Gmail app. So I hope it all makes sense. Because as you can see, we also have the ability to remove it from a device entirely, but that will also affect other Google applications. For example, the calendar, right? So the better way would be to just disable these specific accounts with the toggle and make sure that you only use the one that you want. Or obviously the choice is yours. You can also delete them altogether. So let me know if it worked out for you. Most definitely let me know what you think about this video below. Most definitely subscribe as well, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials too.